Oh goodness, the whole tree's knocked over.
They're saying it won't stop until tomorrow or Sunday.
Guys, there's like a foot or more of snow over here in Gatlinburg. This is crazy.
Solid ice right here. Man, that's a lot of snow. My goodness. Wish us luck. Alright guys, the snow we've hoped for all year is finally happening at midnight. Got a few other phone calls come in, our normal. You guys have heard the channel, everybody's calling, wanting you to tow them down the mountain or up the mountain. And true fashion, it's just too dangerous for us to do that stuff, so we tell those folks that they're better off on foot or stay put and wait for the snowplow. Hopefully get the roads in better shape. We're on our way right now. We're on the spur. We've got a car that has slid off the roadway. Pretty flat from everything in the area, so we're going to try to get him back to the gas station. And one call that we've decided to try and take on, but we'll see. I don't know how bad it is.
These roads are pretty covered. The city's Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg do a very good job of taking care of the roads. The spur is federal, so I don't know that they treat it with salt. Do they do salt on the spur? I don't know if they do salt on the spur.
I don't know. That's a good question.
But they do a good job of taking care of this. The park does. I don't know what these people are doing. But it is maintained differently, I believe, than Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. But it is covered with snow right now, so that's new.
Yeah, I'd heard there we were up to like a level 3 as far as emergency, and it doesn't take much, guys. It's like just a half an inch is the difference between you're not getting up that mountain road. It's not all flat and level like it is here in town, or 90% of the roadways once you leave town are steep.
Yeah, we've said it before and we'll say it again. It gets sketchy real quick. Oh, he is in the, wow, he's in the ditch, big time. Yeah. How are we not going to get run over doing this? Oh. He's in there good. My goodness. Okay, first things first, cones. Vests. Okay. Weather's in there pretty good. It's probably drivable. He's waiting at the gas station for us. I'm gonna get run over. You'll need to go way toward the ditch. We're gonna get it loaded, take it to the gas station, and that's that.
All right, guys, here we are again. It's 3:45 in the morning. I'm on the spur. See what that looks like.
They are plowing. I said we didn't know their method of snow removal, but they are plowing.
Yes, the park is running some plows, so that kind of clarifies that for us. We didn't know. Is it the county? Is it Gatlinburg? But I'm here to tell you guys, you know, if the park, Gatlinburg, or even if it was the county, if we were on a county rotation, if you called me for service, I'm going to go out and I'm going to help. We've got to report the stuff that we're going after, obviously. So, you know, we made known that we were coming into the park to get this one, and Gatlinburg dispatches for the park after hours, and so it's just a big mess. It's like, you know, I'll be honest with you on that one. You know, we've ran all night in these conditions, and I haven't made a dime. Didn't charge that guy anything to get him rescued and dropped back off at his house, and we're going to respond to another call for service here. We're over here. I don't know. This is airbag deployment, but supposed to go to impound, so I don't know if it was. I don't know the reasoning behind impound and airbag deployment, but we'll find out. So
it's one or the other. It's probably not both though.
Anyway, yeah, we're coming into town here. The roads. The winter storm has finally caught up to us. I was a bit leery on, you know, the last time we were supposed to get 17 inches of snow and we got nothing. We got 17 inches of rain. But it looks like this time they weren't lying. We got, I don't know, I'd say we got probably 4 inches maybe so far.
It's hard to tell over here because they've done such a good job of keeping the roads cleared.
But it just cripples the area, guys. You know, just a few inches of snow.
I mean, an inch is enough to just cause chaos.
And we've had calls all night, guys, and it'll go on. We'll get a lot. I'll tell you that. You know, especially once daylight hits here. It's about 4 o'clock, almost 4 o'clock in the morning. So, you know, once 8 or 9 o'clock comes around, these people, it'll just be complete chaos as far as the phone goes. All kinds of calls for service. So, you know, it's and we pick and choose, you know, what we can get to and get done safely, and that's what we've always done. You guys watch us, you know what the channel's all about, and we'll continue to be as safe as we can. And
do you know where you're going?
Not really.
Oh, I hope it's not in a parking lot. Oh my goodness, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get into it. Oh, this turn ought to be fun.
It's like, I don't need the wipers, then I do need the wipers, and they're frozen.
Bad over here.
Guys, it's supposed to get down, well, it said 16 degrees, and we're not far from it. It says 19 degrees right now, so I should have probably turned some water on to drip before I ever left the house.
It's supposed to be even worse tomorrow, like 6 or 7. Ugh. Oh, you're right. Oh, God. Oh, God. Looks bad. Don't get close to it. Is that a Honda Odyssey? No. It's an Acura MDX.
There's no way we're getting dollies into that. There's no way. They're got to be frozen in the truck. Okay.
So, it was one or the other, airbag deployment or going to their impound. We have airbag deployment, so it is going to our place. Oh goodness, the whole tree's knocked over. So this back wheel is not in a very good mood. Front wheel's kind of messed up. Airbags. Okay, we're gonna get it winched over into the road. This is East Parkway in downtown Gatlinburg. 4 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna get it winched over to us out of the sidewalk and the tree and see if we can load it. You just doing one?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one's froze up.
Of course.
I was about to say, it might actually slide off.
Yeah, I know, it's sliding very easy.
What do you say we got right now?
Man, I'd say so. It looks like a little more than half of the board. It seemed like most of the core, but
I'd say we'll probably get it. They're saying it won't stop until Sunday, possibly, or at least tomorrow. I don't know if I'm ready for this or not. They're saying it won't stop until tomorrow or Sunday. Like we could be looking at 6 inches. Which this is a lot now. I mean, just,
yeah, this is.
yeah, I say an inch is crippling for our area, so.
And the grocery stores, the grocery stores.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Yes, yeah.
Stay away from Walmart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's going to be a winch out only?
Oh yeah, it won't. Yeah, that winch is like, I'm frozen, I'm not doing anything.
Okay. I'm going to see if I can find the rest of her grill.
I'll just see if I can find some grids for a junkyard.
Okay.
Unless you think we can get, I don't think we can get grids under it.
I don't think so, but you need to jack. Is it this one?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. Kind of fluid. Yeah, that's bad. Okay, wish us luck. We're gonna put dollies on this thing in the street.
Everything auto.
Are you guys towing?
What's going on?
I'm stuck on King Branch Road.
It would be several hours before I could get to you, man. We're talking probably well into the AM here.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Everything auto.
Hey, my name is. I'm out of Florida right now. My sister and her husband, they're out of Pigeon Forge. Do you guys have anybody that can go out and just pull them out? They're kind of stuck in a small ditch or sideways on the road or something like that.
Yeah.
They can't move.
Unfortunately, right now the conditions, until it stops snowing or the snow plows start running again, we won't be able to pull anybody out of any ditches. Or is she able to get to a safe spot?
Right. Well, they're going on vacation and they have they don't know anywhere to go. So they just told me that we're just sideways on the road. I don't know if anybody can just hold them or pull them just so they can get straight and then keep going on their way.
Do you know where?
They are, as to what their location is, they are just west of Pigeon Forge.
Like, what's the road?
Oh, okay. The road that it gives me is Walt Price Road and Lakeview Lane.
Yeah, no, there's no way. There's no way. Hopefully they're close to their cabin that they can walk to.
Yeah, they're quite a ways. I think they're less than 5 minutes or something like that.
Yeah, unfortunately, no, there's no way I could get a truck over that way. That area is one of the last to be taken care of over there.
I would have them call the county.
Yeah, call the county. Call the county. You're in the Sevier County area, so call the Sevier County Police Department, Highway Department, whatever, and see if they're able to assist.
Okay, awesome. Much appreciated. Thank you for the info.
Thank you. Bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
All right, YouTube. A few hours sleep, and I had over 100 phone calls this morning just after a few hours sleep. We're just trying to get through what we can get to. We've had some, and I don't understand why. It's as you can see, an emergency, and it's packed. We've got people everywhere.
Oh yeah, and it's still snowing. And Gatlinburg is fantastic. Their road crew is amazing. And look at this road, they can't keep up. They can't keep up. So why are you out and about, people?
Stay. We had a call just a second ago that said we had no idea that the winter storm was coming. We have zero food. We don't have anything, and we need to get out of here. How do you not know?
I don't know. I tend to look at the weather of places where I'm traveling to.
Anyway, guys, we got a bunch. I mean, it took me better part of an hour just to dig the truck out. And it looked like at least almost a foot of snow.
Yeah, there's quite a bit there.
Insane for the area for sure.
Well, we were talking last night, and 2 inches is enough to cripple this area. So this is just chaos.
Anyway, we got another one over here that's struck a light pole, I think. Or
yes,
in a ditch.
yeah,
Both.
I think that one's both.
We've got still another one that's back on the spur. We've got another one that's on Dudley Creek. I mean, we just got hundreds of people.
And another one stuck on the parking garage.
Yeah, I don't know. That sounds dangerous. But we'll just slow and easy, as safely as we possibly can, and hope that no one runs into us on the spur.
Or anywhere else, for that matter.
Yeah. Gonna be a good one, guys. Hang tight.
Hey, I'm sure y'all can't come right now, but I was trying to leave the driveway of my Airbnb, and my car is kind of hanging on by 2 trees.
You should have never tried to leave the Airbnb.
Well, I'm not used to these conditions, and I just thought maybe, but yeah, I was wrong.
What's the address?
2019 Windy Lane.
Yeah, I couldn't get a truck up there to you anytime soon due to the roads. We're going to have to wait for the trucks to get the roads going.
Oh, how long does that usually take for them to do that?
It just depends on their workload, and right now it's pretty pretty tall order right now, but I couldn't speak for him. I mean, it's all the county. The county's doing salt trucks.
Yeah. Is it like days, possibly?
Yes, it can be, especially in the shaded areas. And we're not supposed to get above freezing, so all this stuff's not going anywhere.
Oh, Lord. All right. You want to just put me on your list or something?
You'll just have to call us back.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. What'd she say? She lived between two trees. Windy Lane, guys. So Windy Lane is, wow, it is kind of what it sounds like.
Is it Windy Lane or is it Windy Lane?
I don't know.
Either
Either one's bad. It's completely at the top of the mountain. I'd say it's probably 3,000 foot up in there.
Oh, definitely, for sure, because that's up where
3,000 to 4,000 foot elevation.
Yeah, just depending on what part of it she's on.
Driving on this flat area right here, guys, you see what it looks like. So can you imagine something with a 12-degree pitch?
Try to leave it's like those are scary in the best conditions.
Yeah, completely dry out. Like yesterday, I was showing you that completely dry driveway, and that would have been terrifying to pull down in that on a July 80-degree day.
Stay put. You really don't need to go anywhere. You really don't. Just stay put. Enjoy the snow in the mountains. That's what you came here for. Enjoy it.
Guess he's stuck, dude.
Probably, but there's not our call. Our call's a little bit further down.
Oh, they're putting chains.
Oh, good luck to them. My goodness, they're brave souls.
My favorite transit van putting some chains on. Here's the funny thing. I'm looking at that back there. Transit vans, I've seen both. I've seen front wheel drive and rear wheel drive. And the funny thing, last winter storm, me and Towin come across the front wheel drive car that was putting tire chains on the rear.
Oh, bless their hearts.
What a day, guys. This is quite intense. Appreciate you guys watching. I'm sure we'll get tons of this footage for you guys. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 4 p.m. We'll get those videos out to you guys. Don't forget Everything Auto's Garage. Gonna have some crazy footage too, I'm sure. And we are getting close, so almost there.
All right. This one, you can see this fella parked down here because he knew what was coming. Boy, this is a lot of snow. Holy cow, there's a rock right there. Oof. There's a truck trying to get down. Guys, there's like a foot or more of snow over here in Gatlinburg. This is crazy. Up against the pole. Is that a rock? No, but that one is. It's up again. Wow. Wow. I wonder if GPD knows they've knocked this signpost down. I don't know. I don't know if we'll be able to get this right now even. Hey, this might have to wait.
Yeah, I can't even get up. I can't even drive.
You'd have to pull it behind because it's up on a wall. Yeah, this is gonna have to wait because look, do you see this is a rock and it's up on that concrete wall and it's gonna have to go that way. And there's no way you're getting up that.
Okay.
Or, yeah. Okay, we'll call them back and let them know.
There, guys. Quite no. I don't think my clearance is enough to get under this. And what would I do with it if I did? So it looks like this is all ice. Solid ice right here. And it looks like she has slipped and slided all the way up here, and by the tracks it looks like she's bounced off the wall until she made it to there and decided that she wasn't going to get into the parking garage. There's just not much I can do. They're just going to have to get this cleared off, so she really doesn't need a tow truck. If they can get the parking garage, because this is the entrance to all of the levels for the parking garage, if they can get this swiped, then she'll just be able to just back down here to the bottom. So not really a job for me. It's a job for probably a salt truck, or it's going to be a little one. A little some of the crews have side-by-sides with the little salt things on them, but they're going to have to plow this, something small enough to get under the clearance here, because this is solid ice, and I am not going to back my truck up there and slide to the bottom with her. So we're going to bow out of that one as well. It's just been a day, guys. We've had just tons of things and that's usually the way it is. You know, we'll wake up and thousands of phone calls, and it's just nothing that you can do. The poor truck is frozen up. It's 16 degrees, and there's just not much in the way of rescue going on until some of these situations get cleared. Okay, guys. Oh, God, what a disgusting truck. Ew. I gotta show you guys. We're here at the lot. Look at this snow. Like, it is... It's about knee deep, the bottom of my knee. Yeah, about the bottom of my knee over here at the lot. That's a lot of snow. That's a lot of snow. We plowed coming in. Look at this. Look at this truck, guys. Like, let me give you an edge here. Man, that's a lot of snow. That's well over a foot of snow. I'm gonna guess 18 inches or so. I don't know. I don't have a tape measure on me, but I guess about 18, 19 inches. Wow. Anyway, picked this one up. Electric car. 14 degrees was too much for a EV vehicle, I guess, because it just completely shut down and left her in the middle of the road with traffic flying and sliding by her. We didn't have anything else to do with it because we couldn't get it up into the mountains, and there's not really anything open right now. So the safest bet was to get her to her cabin, and we got the vehicle back here a little flatter to tow. But my goodness, wish us luck.